So you came back for more, huh? Well, buckle up because we're about to go through part two of setting up your eBinder. All right, so when we left off last, I told you we'd talk about the remaining slides and what to do with those. So on slide number 4, we have a planner slide, and for AVID students, this is the spot where they will take a screenshot of their planner, um, whether they're using Google Calendar, which I know a lot of students use, or if they're doing stuff actually printed, like written out, or if they have any other system, this is where they can post that, and we can keep them accountable to maintaining a weekly planner. Now, to what Avid is perhaps most famous, infamous, I'm not sure. The notes. So, Avid's main purpose behind the notes is that students are interacting with their notes. In an in person model, they didn't want the notes to just go into the backpack and never come out again. They wanted the notes to actually be useful, to be interactive. And so, that's the purpose here. This template's designed where students can insert a picture or a snapshot, a screenshot, a snip, or whatever you want to call it on the right half, and interact with these notes on the left half. And what that looks like is really up to you. It's kind of open to some interpretation, but common interactions include annotations, asking questions, creating quiz questions to ask themselves, summarizing main points, chunking information, highlighting. Um, there's a lot of ways to interact with the notes, and so students would paste a picture or a screenshot of their notes on the right half and then interact with the notes on the left half, finishing with a summary, typically a 3 sentence minimum, summarizing the essential question of the notes. All right, so here's what a page of notes might look like. So these were screenshot from a Math 1 lesson. And the essential question from this solving puzzles in teams, function machines, and absolute value. Here is our essential question with my interactions, followed by a couple vocabulary words, and then a summary of the lesson. And notice that the summary answers the essential questions. So once students have their notes here, the idea is that they can file these notes down here under each of their tabs. And this then becomes an actual functioning binder. So when they open this, they just want to check out their math notes. They click on math, and here they are. And they've got a collection of all of their math notes over here. Same thing for the rest of their classes. All right. And so there's a couple pasted in here. The something I want to emphasize is for these pages, if you need a new page of notes, use the Control C, the copy feature, and then Control V to paste it. So copy this slide and paste it rather than going through the process of inserting a slide. And the reason that is important is to keep these links working. Okay, so other pages here, we've got a grade check. Avid wants to make sure that students are on top of their grades and hold them accountable. And so we do regular grade checks and also a learning log. And this is all part of summarizing their learning, reflecting, not just learn something, but also to revisit it weekly. And so these are linked here. Now, in case you do edit a slide and you realize, oh, I was supposed to make a copy of that, down at the bottom, I have these. And as long as you don't edit these, you'll be able to make copies of these as much as you need. All right. And so this is how we plan to use the eBinder. I hope this has been helpful. I hope that you can find ways to use this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to hit me up. All right. Bye.